Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to run ScanDisk on Windows 10. Let's dive in. Open File Explorer. You can press the keyboard shortcut Win+E, or you can click the folder icon in your taskbar. Click This PC. It's in the panel on the left side of the window and will show you the drives in it. Right-click the drive that you want to run ScanDisk on. A menu will pop up next to your cursor. Click Properties. Another window will open. Click the Tools tab. It's near the top of the window. Click Check. You'll see this in the Error Checking section next to an icon of a drive. Follow any on-screen instructions to continue. Just click on ScanDisk. It will take few minutes to scan. And here it's done. No error is found in my Windows. You can also click on More Details to see the details in it. And that's all. Now your computer is safe from errors. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.